Alrighty, we're going to fire things up again. We got the bets out there. We're all set up and ready to go. And here we go. There's a 3. Same bet that one. We'll point a 6 and 8 up. There's a 9. We'll same bet that one. Not good. We'll try it again. We'll do it and double it. There's a 5. Same bet it. There's a 6. I'm going to same bet that one. There's an 11. And okay, well, one more shot. There's a 5. And well, that was the point. Got to turn them on to take them down. And here we go. There's a 4. 6 and 8 up. There's a 6. We'll same bet that one. There's an 8. We're going to same bet that one. Well, let's see where we're at.
Boo!
Yeah, put that same bet back out there. Double, what the heck? There's an 8. Another 8.
Hey, Carla. Hey.
Tell you what, go ahead and go. There's a 4. Trying to see where we're at real quick. One more. Ah. Oops. Okay. Go to Chris up to 6 and 8. What the heck? There's an 11. The same bet that one. There's a 5. You're going to same bet that. There's an 8. There's an 8. Same bet it. Not good. We'll see the time on the thing. Put that last bet back out there and double it. And work it. There's an 8. We'll same bet that one. There's a 5. Same bet that one. There's a 9. And we'll run away. on the inside. There's a 9. The same bet that one. There's a 6. Let's press up that 4 and 10. What the heck? There's an 8. Got the point. Turn them on. And we're going. There's an 8. Now let's see what we're going to do. Go ahead and leave that up there. There's a 9. 6 and 8 up a buck apiece. And we'll go. And we go. We stop. What do we have out there? Let's go ahead and work them. Get that same bet back out that we had. There's an 8. Same bet it. Got a 9. The same bet it. There's a 10. Well, good thing we had the extra dollar on there. $4.